Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can make your videos and photos keep quality on WhatsApp, since the WhatsApp app has the problem of having its media losing the quality. So to do all that you will need an app that helps in converting your videos quality to a new quality that keeps the quality. So now let's start by opening Google Play Store. Then after doing that, simply search in the app called Venlo. And now let's download it. For those who don't know this app, this is video and photo converter of your phone, and it was made for WhatsApp to help keep the quality of video. So now let's open it. And now agree to the terms, and now as you can see here is where you can convert both your computer and video from, so simply let's convert a video. Then after it's been opened, simply open a random video. And as you can see it's been opened now, and before you convert it, you can see that from above you can trim this video or adjust its length. And if you see down on the settings button you can see that you can mute and fit the size your video however you want. So now let's list by converting your video, so click on continue, and now it's been converted. And now you can share it on WhatsApp and other apps you want. And if you click on save, you will choose the location you want your video to be saved in. And now let's convert a picture, so select from your gallery. And now adjust your picture's size and after you can convert it. Choose the quality of your files on WhatsApp. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.